Hi, my curious kids. So, we are back together once again at your favorite learning platform, Learn Forward. And I'm here with your grammar book, The Grammar Hub by Feathercap. Going ahead in grammar, today we'll be starting chapter 16 of your book, where we'll be learning about question answers. Means, do you think I'm going to ask you some questions, you'll be giving answers? No, we'll be learning how to write questions and how to write answers. We have already learned that sentences are of different types. So now we'll be learning how to frame the sentences so that we get a question formation and we get an answer to it. Excited? Can we get started? Let's go. All the best for that. So what are rhyming words? The words that end with the same sound, they are called rhyming words. I have just told you. Like man, fan, ran. So they have the last ending same sound. An, pan, can. So they are rhyming words. We have yet another group of words here. They have the same ending sound. Tap, map, lap, nap, gap. So when we say, we can say like that also. A man in a van. A fan in a van. A can on a pan. So what do you see? We are using the rhyming words to bring a rhythm there, right? So such words are called rhyming words and they help us in beautifying or making the rhymes I have told you. Now let's see how we can use them. Here are some words. Write the rhyming words with the help of the pictures. So what we have here? This is the fish. That is a dish. So can you say a fish in a dish? That will be a sentence of your rhyme. So we say dish and fish because they have the same ending sound. They are rhyming words. What's that? Box and ox. So can you say an ox pulling a box? Yes, it can. Then king. King is wearing a ring. Yes. So this is how we work on the rhyming words. A nut in a hut. Yes. So these are rhyming words. A tap and a cap. So you can say a cap under a tap. You are trying to wash it. A pup with a cup. He's trying to drink milk from it. A well and a bell. A mouse around a house. He's running. He's having fun there. A mat with a hat. So you have a hat on the mat. And then a hen has a pen. So is that mischievous hen writing something with your pen? Let's have fun with such rhyming words and then go ahead with composing your own lovely rhymes. We'll be seeing with more sessions ahead. Till then, happy learning, children.